National Development Minister Desmond Lee says it could take at least 7 weeks for oil-slicked kingfishers to be nursed back to health. He adds one bird in the care of a government agency is in stable condition, but is not entirely out of the woods yet. Meanwhile, another kingfisher is showing signs of promise. 2 birds have already died as a result of an oil spill earlier this month.
This kingfisher was in poor shape when it was rescued 2 days after an oil spill in Singapore's waters. With daily medication and care, it is now alert, eating well on its own, and has even gained weight. Still, it can be cleaned of oil only when it is fully stabilized, as wild birds are easily stressed when handled.
So when it came in, what we did was we actually let it rest first, then after that we gave it subcutaneous fluids for hydration and also liquid diet. Yeah, and then slowly we will clean the oil away. But of course, we always monitor to make sure that it is not stressed before we do it.
Over at the Animal Concerns Research and Education Society, another rescued kingfisher is making good progress.
We've been taking the cleaning in phases, and currently there's no more oil on the bird, and it's able to fly now. So now it's about monitoring it further and then making sure that its waterproofing ability on its feathers comes back.
This will ensure that the kingfisher can dive into the waters when it returns to the wild. For now, Acres is keeping the bird away from humans to prevent added stress. In about a week, it will be moved to a cage 5 times bigger so it can practice flying longer distances again. Acres says while birds are the most obvious victims of oil spills, it's hard to tell if any sea animals have been affected.
Where the oil spill occurred, it had gone onto the southern islands. We know for a fact that many animals share the straits, from dolphins to even dugongs and sea turtles as well. These 3 will be the more obvious animals that will be affected by the oil spill.
Acres adds that many nature groups are also keeping an eye on marine animals, such as crabs and fish.